getting new discs. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be trading in this Racer 800, and we're gonna trade it in for 2007 Silverado lifted, and that's gonna be my brother's new truck. So stay tuned to see if we were able to trade it. Hopefully we do get to trade it. And right now we went to the mechanic so he could fix the radio and all that, put some new cables and everything, and the lights. So I'll drop his Facebook down so y'all can hit him up for anything that y'all need. So right now we're testing out the new truck. It's in pretty good condition though, right? I like it.
Take it to Charles so they can check it?
Nah, wait, nah. Mama's waiting, nah. This nigga. He's gonna take it to the mechanic so he can check it. I feel like it's a seat. It's coming from back there. It's pretty nice though. I like it. I know Chava's gonna like it for sure. Damn. It's in good condition. Oh, la verga. What? Oh, needs new bass. They don't got a sound system. It's in good condition though. Other than that fucking handle, but. We ended up finding out that the lift kit is not the right lift kit for this type of truck, and the wheels, like, there's too many problems with them. And what else, man? Too much problems, huh? Mechanics, we took it to the mechanic to see it. Yo, my Uber just crashed.
Tengo miedo, tengo miedo, tengo miedo.
Bro, I was in an Uber, this nigga just crashed. Oh shit. I gotta speak to him. I want to speak Spanish. Oh shit. Era una masa en ahí.
Sí, pero... O sea, pues, ¿qué dice?
Well, what do you want me to say?
It's fine.
It's up to him. Lo que usted diga,
Back up and see if it was that.
Sí, porque no pasa nada mía. Pero como no tiene culpa.
I'm sorry, man. Ya está bien.
Crashing and shit, but my truck, what it got done was it got new brake discs because the other ones were all fucked up. Gotta wait, yeah. And then this window, it got fixed because it wouldn't go, like, if you put it all the way down, it wouldn't go all the way up. And then it was leaking too much oil, and my mechanic fixed all that. And also it needed the inspection, so that's why it was in the shop, for other people that wanted to know. Oh, and also my brother didn't get the truck because it had a lift kit, but it wasn't like meant for the truck. It was like, they put it on like ghetto. So my brother didn't want the truck after all because it had too much problems on it. And that's gonna be it for today.